So you want to use Photoshop, but you don't want to pay the monthly subscription. There is a way to use something that's very similar to Photoshop, basically the same, for completely free. It's a website that will be linked in the description, or you can also just search for photopea.com. As you can see here, we have the option to create a new project, and here you can select your canvas size, and you have different categories here. You have social, print, photo, screen, mobile, and ads. As you can see, we have different aspect ratios here. And you can also import pictures. So same as in Photoshop, you have File, you have all these tabs that you can go through up here. The file, let's go to Open, and let's just choose a picture. Let's take this piano here, and as you can see, we've easily imported the picture, and you can do everything that you can in Photoshop, or at least almost everything, basically everything. And as you can see here, we can just crop into this picture, tap enter, and it's cropped. Let's just crop into this flower here, or the rose I should say. Press enter and it's cropped. And if you want to export this, you again go to File, and you have a few options here. You can save as a PSD, so you can actually, if you wanted to, continue editing this in the actual Photoshop, or you can export it. And then you have quite a few options here. You have PNG, JPEG, which is what you're usually going to be using. And then you have SVG, GIF, PDF, and then you have a lot more options down here, as you can see. But mostly you're just going to be using JPEG. And if you actually go ahead and export it, select JPEG, you have this pop up here. You can choose your quality. You have a slider here. Let me just zoom out. You have a slider here. You can adjust the quality of the picture, and you can do a few more finishing touches here. You can adjust the aspect ratio again, and you can, if you want, change the format of the picture. And then you just hit save, and then it will download here. And once it's downloaded, you can hit open in folder. And as you can see right there, there it is. You can just copy and paste it wherever you need it. And that's really all there is to it. It's as simple as that. You have all the basic functions, as you can see here. Pretty much all the tools that you have in Photoshop. And as you can see here, you have this tab over here also. You can create layers, channels and paths. I know layers is very important in Photoshop, so you do have the ability to create that here as well. And it has basically the same layout as Photoshop, if not exactly the same. You can pick your colors here as well, exactly the same as in Photoshop. And it's completely free, and hopefully it will remain free for a long time yet. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn more, learn your way around a computer, consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.